Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a snatched half up, half down look with a cute little bun in the back. You can use this look to go pretty much anywhere, just when you want to feel snatched and like a baddie. I'm going to a concert today, so that's why I'm going to wear the look. It is really hot outside, so this is also a look I go for in the humidity. I can't say that the rest of my hair is going to hold, but we'll see. Okay, so for this style, you want to make sure you have like a nice clean middle part. Next thing we're going to do is take a line from our crown all the way down to our ear. So something like this. Something like that. Okay, so I always have a little mirror handy just to make sure that my lines are looking clean. Clean, love that. Now the challenge will be to make sure I get a clean line on the other side. So I'm just gonna clip that there. Okay, it feels right. Did I get it? Don't know. I got my line work good, so it's like nice and clean. From the ear to the crown to the ear. Okay, so now we have two clean panels for now. All right, so next, just so that I'm working super neat, I'm gonna put some clips, some flat clips right here so that I make sure that I'm not gonna grab any hair that I'm not supposed to while I'm tying up these two halves. So look. Now we can begin. What you will need are 3 scrunchies and a bunch of bobby pins and some hairspray. I'm going to use 2 different kinds of hairsprays. I'm going to use a flexible hairspray and a stronghold hairspray. This is to get my flyaways at the end. Nothing snatches my baby hairs, my flyaways like got to be glued. It's the best hairspray. All right, so what we're gonna aim for is to put 2 ponytails right at the crown of your head. To make sure that these ponytails are super clean, I'm gonna hairspray it in sections. So something like this, 1 section, 2 sections. I don't know, 3-4 sections. Just because I have a lot of hair here, I want to make sure that it all stays stuck together. That's why I hairspray in sections. Okay, so see what I mean? All these baby hairs? I'm gonna spray it with my got to be glued. Then I'm gonna use a different brush. I like this brush, it's softer and it's just great for snatching away my small hairs. It's Boar bristle. The other brush that I'm using is Boar and nylon bristle. But see how this one just gives me so much more shine? Okay, so that's great. But I want to make sure that it's perfect, so I'm going to use a fine-tooth comb to make sure that I got everybody and that there's no bumps in this ponytail. And once I feel safe about it, I'm going to tie it up with a scrunchie. That looks great. Let's do it again on the other side. So same thing, we're gonna hairspray it in sections. Boar and nylon bristle brush. So now we're going to tie this one up. So now what you have are two ponytails. Next, very easy, we're just going to take another ponytail and tie these two together so that you just end up having one giant ponytail here. Great. And now we are so snatched. You see what it did to my face? It's incredible. Now, you could do whatever you want with this. However you want to create your bun, or even if you just want to leave it as is, that's a style. That's great. That's so cute. I'm gonna make mine into a bun today. So, what kind of bun do I want? I don't know. I usually just freestyle it. Okay, what I want to do is I'm gonna use another ponytail and I'm gonna do this. 1, 2, and then on the third loop I'm gonna leave it half out. Great. Then with what's left, I'm gonna split it into two and just cross it over my little bun. And I'm gonna spray it with some wax spray, just so that I don't have too many frizziness and flyaways. And I gotta spray my other section. And I'm just gonna spin them around. And I'm gonna flatten the bun like so to cover up those scrunchies. And I'm just gonna start pinning. And once you're happy about your bun, you can take the rest of your clips out. There, love that. Right, and then that is your snatched bun hairstyle. So cute, you could wear it anywhere. I've even done this style for bridesmaids at weddings, and it's so cute. It's just like at least the hair is out of your face, you know, and it's like you look polished, you look cute, you're snatched. And then this is the finished look. Let me know if you guys try this look, tag me in your photos, and yeah, see you next time.